And now it's time for another Wellness 101. Back to School Tips and Tricks, presented by St. Luke's University Health Network. Hey guys, Mr. Wellness here, and school is back in session. This time of year brings mixed feelings for parents and kids. Parents are overjoyed when the kids are out of the house, back in school, and away from screens. The kiddos, on the other hand, moan and groan about the end of summer, but are secretly excited about getting back in touch with their friends. Like it or dread it, back to school time is here. But fear not, my little geniuses. Wellness 101 is here to teach you how it's done. Step 1. Bring back the bedtime routine. Who needs a strict bedtime over the summer? But back to school means time for a more rigid routine. Following a bedtime routine, especially during the school year, will ensure your kids won't get fatigued easily or have difficulty paying attention in class. Bonus tip: return your little darlings to their strict sleep schedule 1 to 2 weeks before school starts. This helps reset their circadian clocks. Pick a specific time for hitting the sack and stick to it. Just be sure to limit the use of screens before turning in, as they may interfere with the routine or with sleep itself. Step 2. Stay healthy in close quarters. Once school gets going, the weather turns colder and the kids are in close quarters, so it's inevitable that they're going to get sick. Remind your kids to wash their hands constantly and avoid touching their face, especially their eyes, nose, and mouth. And be sure not to share lunches or utensils. Most importantly, keep your kids home if they're not feeling well, so that they don't share germs with others. Now, I know you don't want to hear this, but with COVID still around, social distancing and masking are still vitally important. But perhaps the most important and effective thing you can do for your child, yourself, everyone you love, and everyone you don't know is to get vaccinated. Step 3. Eat healthy. Eating healthy meals can be compromised during the lazy days of summer. But as the kids get ready to start back to school, it's important to remember that nutrition is a major contributor to their ability to learn and pay attention in class. Remember, your child's brain is still developing and needs healthy fats and nutrition to continue that development. Breakfast is definitely the most important meal of the day, and foods such as eggs, oatmeal, avocados, potatoes, and whole wheat toast are far superior to sugar-glazed cereals, yogurts, and pastries. Folks, back-to-school learning and paying attention can be difficult, even for the kids who've kept up with their reading and math all summer long. And just because school's back in session doesn't mean we as parents should take a passive role in education. Parents and caregivers can and should find ways to supplement learning throughout the school year. Allow your kiddos to be creative and practice what they've learned at school in everyday life, like counting money or telling time. Lastly, don't forget that learning is an adventure, and exposing your kids to new experiences can help them learn emotionally, mentally, and physically. Now, go smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Wellness 101, and get to class, kids.